मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर परिकराक एम्सांतल्यान सकाळी डिस्चार्ज दिलो। चॅनल न्यूज एक्साच्या खबरेप्रमाण सकाळी ताची भलायकी बरीच हालिल्ली, प्रेसावूय सापूच हालिल्ले, मात आता ताका स्टेबल करून एअर एम्ब्युलन्सान गोंयान हाडपाची व्यवस्था केल्या। दिल्ली एम्सासावन ताका स्ट्रेचराचेर एम्ब्युलन्सीन हालयलो। एअर एम्ब्युलन्सीन ताचे ताळगावच्या फ्लॅटा मेरेन हाडपाची सगळी व्यवस्था जाल्या। पळयात पयलेच फावट परिकराचे एक्सक्लुसिव्ह विज्युअल्स आणि परिकराची हेल्थ अपडेट।
To leaders who within the party had fancied a chance of replacing Manohar Parrikar, because the party is aware of the fact that that Parrikar's stature is such that he will be able to contain not only factionalism within the party but also make sure that the allies also toe the line of the government. And they know that if Manohar Parrikar makes an exit, then the situation will become very tumultuous as far as the BJP is concerned, and they are also aware of the fact that the Congress is waiting with bated breath to get such an opening. And this is the reason why the BJP party president had made it very clear that come what may, we will not remove Manohar Parrikar despite his failing health. And it'll be interesting to see how long this arrangement works on, or whether the party will be at a later stage forced to make some change as far as the Chief Minister of Goa is concerned.
Absolutely, that will be an interesting thing to watch out for, Brijesh, because for a long time now, the opposition in the state has said that governance has taken a back seat because of the deteriorating health of the Chief Minister, and that it is time for a change of guard. It's interesting that while on the one hand you have the BJP insisting that Parrikar must continue as Chief Minister, probably because they believe that he is the best man for the job as far as keeping the BJP's flock together is concerned. But on the other hand, for precisely this reason, the fact that he has not been keeping well, the Congress has not only staked claim to form the government in Goa, but they're actually saying that the BJP simply does not have a majority anymore, Brijesh.
Well, the Congress will try their level best to make sure that they are in some sort of they get some sort of an opening, and because they are also very keen to wrest away the power as far as Goa is concerned. Remember, they have always been saying right from the word go that they were short-charged as far as the BJP is concerned, who use their muscle power to make sure that they are muscle and money power to make sure that they are able to form the government. And this is the reason why the BJP is also aware that if they are able to form a government right now in Goa, it will also give a boost to regional elections, because we'll see as the party which is back in action as far as forming government is concerned. And this is the reason why they are very, very keen to exploit any kind of scenario which emerges, which is minus Manohar Parrikar. So it'll be extremely interesting to see how this pans out, whether the health condition of Goa Chief Minister improves and he takes back charge, normal charge, or if it deteriorates, whether the BJP will be forced to appoint someone else as the Chief Minister, because that is one scenario which the Congress, I beg your pardon, is extremely is looking forward to.
All right, Brijesh, thanks very much for getting us all those details.